Meaning of David Lean.
David Lean.
David Lean.
David Lean.
David Lean. David Lean was an English film director, producer, and screenwriter who is best known for his epic films such as Lawrence of Arabia and Dr. Zhivago. He was born on March 25, 1908 in Croydon, Surrey, England and died on April 16, 1991 in London, England. Lean won 4 Academy Awards for Best Director and is widely regarded as one of the greatest filmmakers of all time. His films were known for their grand scale and sweeping cinematography, and his meticulous attention to detail earned him a reputation as a perfectionist filmmaker.